So we're going to be putting a soldier course on. Obviously 3 bricks cover 1 brick in length. So we're wetting up the muck board. The most important thing of bricklaying, get that nice. So we'll put enough on there for 3. Making sure that's nice and evenly spread on the brick. And just place it on there nice and gently. Right, we'll do the same on the other side. So now I've got my line set in. It's not too tight, but it's going to pull these 2 in. So we'll start filling this in. Call me picky, but don't really like that one. Always be picky with your bricks. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon.